Hi students, welcome to S&M Coaching Center. There are three bells who ring at different time intervals, which means imagine bell A rings after every 12 minutes, bell B rings at every 15 minutes, and C rings at every 18 minutes. Now the question is, if all the three bells ring together now, after what time will they ring again together? The question is this. I will give you a small hint, students. If you come across any question like this, when will the bells ring together? Or if people are running in a park with a different time taking to complete one round of the park, when will all the people meet together? When you come across all such things, when will they ring together? When will they come across together? All such things, the hint is you have to find the LCM. You have to find the LCM. So let us directly do the LCM of that. How do you solve this question? Time intervals are 12, 15 and 18 minutes. And then therefore find the LCM. LCM would be 2, 6, 2, 3. I know you can do the common division method, but children, that is not allowed. So please do not do that. 2 square and 3 for 15. For factors are 5 and 3. For 18, the factors are For 18, the factors are 2 and 3 square. Now, what is that? The question is, when will all the bells ring together? So, we have to consider the LCM. What is the LCM formula? Concept. It is the product of all the factors, but with the highest powers. Common factor is 2. 2, the highest power is 2 square. So, write 2 square. Which is the common factor? I have a 3 here, 3 here, 3 there. But which is the greatest power? 3 square. So take 3 square. Now which are the uncommon factors? I have a 5. So write 5 as it is. So 2 square is 4. 3 square is 9. 5. So 5 4s 20. 20 into 9. So 180. So if all the bells are ringing right now, after how much time will they ring together? After 180 minutes will they ring together. Therefore, the three bells will toll is nothing but ringing, will toll together after 180 minutes. 180